It's time to unlock the full potential of your machining operations with the OMNI 5-axis CNC router. Traditional machining processes often face limitations in handling complex geometries and intricate details. Machinists struggle with time-consuming setups, tool changes, and potential inaccuracies. The 5-axis CNC router eliminates these challenges, offering a true 5-axis simultaneous movement capability. This means it can maneuver in all 5 directions. Let's delve into the world of the 5-axis CNC router, where precision meets efficiency. With its advanced programming capabilities, OMNI 5-axis CNC router can handle even the most intricate designs, transforming digital blueprints into tangible masterpieces. The 5-axis CNC router's powerful spindle spins at high speeds, while its robust construction ensures stability and vibration dampening, even during the most demanding operations. Are you ready to transform your machining process with the power of OMNI 5-axis technology? Visit our website or contact us today to learn more.